So tonight, I was gonna cook some fish, but then we went to Walmart and I decided that we were gonna get like some chicken patties and do like some Wendy's type crispy chicken BLTs. So I bought some chicken patties, I bought some lettuce, some bacon, some fries, and some buns. Keep on watching so you can see how we do our Wendy's style crispy chicken BLT dinner. I got some hamburger buns. We already had some cheese. I bought some bacon, and I bought the Tyson style chicken patties because we like the way that these taste versus like the Walmart brand. I bought some lettuce and I bought some fries. So I need you see 2 patties there?
I want 5 patties.
5 patties. So we're gonna put 8 patties up here. We got a flat pan.
Patties.
How many patties did I tell you to do? 8. Wait, let me put some oil in it. While she's doing that, I'm gonna put some bacon on the griddle.
1, 2, 3. Why don't we start together, Mom?
I don't have to put them close.
Time things that never go, run things that never go, now things that never go, run things that never go, run things that never go, things that never go, run never go, and things never go. Thinking never go, thinking never go, thinking never go, thinking never go. And now we have some lettuce that's super big. We have some slice of cheese and 5 cheese. 5 pieces of cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have some bread for the patties. We have the bread for the patties. We're going to put lots of this.
So take this bacon off because I'm about to burn these to a crisp.
Yes, we are.
Up here, listening to Faith. Not paying attention to what I was doing. Yes. This will be crispy. This will be a crispy chicken, crispy bacon LT.
What is it?
I'll turn the oil back up and I'll put these fries in. Don't let y'all see me jump.
What is that, Mom?
French fries.
Tell us what you said.
What, y'all see me jump back?
It's born by the bubbles. What is boiling?
Can you focus on what you're focusing on?
It's the balls. Now my mom is about to flip them over and put them back in.
Because it's been how many minutes? 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
So they have to cook on the other side for what? 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And now we're going to open this lettuce. We're going to open up this lettuce for our sandwiches, and we're going to wash some of it off because everybody doesn't want lettuce. But for those of us who do, we're about to wash some. So go ahead and open it.
Oh, this is super good. It smells nasty. Mommy, the lettuce smell nasty.
Oh my goodness.
You can't eat it yet. It will taste nasty. You can't eat the lettuce after it comes from under the ground. Yes, it does come under the ground.
Right there. You just put it on a paper towel. Don't crunch it up. Leave it how it is, like a big leaf, okay?
Ooh, this is nice and good. And as we watch the mom, it came from out of the ground. That's why we're washing. Because everybody eats the lettuce after they wash it off. Some people don't, some people do. And we don't crush, we're not going to crush them up. It's going to dry on a paper towel. And now we're going to dry it. We're going to dry it. Mommy, I'm drying it. I'm going to shake them off and let them dry.
It's been 20 minutes and the chicken patties are coming out. Looks so good. And the fries, the second batch of fries is still cooking.
It's gonna be so good. Yeah.
So Mari's here now to help. Say hey.
Hello.
Say hey.
Hey.
He's gonna help me put the plates and stuff together for everybody. Cheese on these because so I can stick them back in the oven.
We need more cheese.
No, I'm not gonna put cheese on Tristan's. Come on, because I gotta put them back in the oven by the time these fries are finished.
It's gonna be delicious.
Spread it on the top and the bottom. It's gonna be delicious. You want that effect? The bacon. Wow.
Look at that juicy bacon.
Look at that juicy bacon.
I like the hungry part on the bacon.
Yes, me too.
The fat part.
Yes, that's delicious.
Calm down. Oh no! Haha. That's what we put. That's what we should have put in slow motion. Bacon falling. Are you watching what you record or you watching me?
Sorry.
Oh, you know what? We're missing some tomatoes, but your dad don't want me to eat tomatoes anyway, so.
So man.
I heard this bacon is for myself.
You see that bacon right there? See all that bacon? So
Would you be ordering this again?
Mm-hmm.
Eat? Chicken sandwich. With bacon.
I want another one.
I thought you did.
Is it good?
Can I get another one after this?
Boy, eat that one first.
Yeah, but
What you think, Faye? So there you have it. Crispy chicken BLTs made at home. And yes, this is Quan's plate.